here you are. The big question. Do the Apple Airpods work with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9? Check the video to find out. Hi, I'm Ron. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the Venus Live Studio YouTube channel and you're watching Ron Reviews. Now this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and that's the Apple Airpods. So in order to begin the pairing process, I have to first reset the AirPods. So over here, you can see the light is blinking green. Now I'm going to be pushing the button at the back in order to make it available for pairing. As you can see, the white light is blinking now, means the AirPods are ready to pair. On the Note 9, I'll go to the Bluetooth menu. I can do that by going here. And I'm just going to scan for devices. And it says available devices, Ronix AirPods. I'm going to hit that. And it says pairing. And pairing is complete. So now it says connected for call and media audio. One quick thing is, since it's connected, because the lid is open of the AirPod, it's connected. When I close the lid, it should disconnect. It's disconnected. Now, when I'm opening the lid of the AirPod, it says connecting, it automatically connects. One thing to notice, if I want to increase the volume of the AirPods, I can simply hit the volume button and it gives me a menu to increase the AirPods volume. And that can be controlled through this interface. So, the AirPods work seamlessly with the Note 9 as they do with other Apple iPhones. There is no difference in sound quality whatsoever between the two devices. Not many people prefer the Apple AirPods because of their average sound quality as compared to other devices at this price range. But the convenience of this particular device for Apple users is excellent. I mean, ergonomically I find them very easy to use. A device that closely matches the AirPods is the Jabra 65 Elite. I've already posted a review about this device on my channel. You can check it out. The sound quality of these earphones is even better than the AirPods. Do check out my channel for the review of this product. If I take out the AirPods out and I'm closing the lid, it would still say connected for call, media and audio, detecting that the AirPods are out of the case itself. So I'm going to put these AirPods in my ear and I'm going to play some music and see how the connectivity is. So I've got the Google Play Music app here and I'm going to play Frank Sinatra. Now as you can see, the music is playing, the AirPods are in my ear. When I remove it from my ear and keep it down, they're still playing on the AirPods. Now this doesn't happen on an Apple iPhone. In an Apple iPhone, when you take off the AirPods, any music that's playing on your phone pauses immediately, but that doesn't happen on the Note 9. You have to manually go and stop and pause the track that's playing. That's the only difference that I noticed between the AirPods with the Note 9 versus the AirPods with an Apple iPhone. The way you can see that is the AirPods are out. I'm just going to put it near the mic so you can listen to the music playing. So if you're looking to purchase this device, of course you would have thought about it as to why you want the AirPods instead of any other earbuds. But if you're looking to purchase it, you won't have any problems in using it with your Android device itself. So I've tested it with the Note 9. I already have a video posted on the Galaxy S8. It should behave in a similar manner on any device using Android. So that's it folks for this review. Do subscribe to the channel. It's the Venus Live Studio channel. This is Ron. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.